An autopsy shows that a model, who Los Angeles cops say was tortured and killed by her graphic novelist boyfriend, was scalped, had portions of her face torn off, and had been drained of all her blood. Iana Cation, 30, was found dead in a West Hollywood apartment in May 2016. Her boyfriend, Blake Leibel, 36, the son of wealthy Canadian real estate tycoon and Olympic sailor Lauren Leibel, has been charged with her murder and could face the death penalty if convicted. He has pleaded not guilty. At least one of his novels has drawn unsettling parallels to the murder case. The book, Syndrome, starts with flashbacks of a serial killer slashing throats and draining blood, the New York Daily News reported. Detectives found Cation lying next to her 2-month-old baby who was not hurt. The autopsy report revealing the grisly details was released Wednesday, KABC TV reported. The report shows there was also an injury to Cation's jaw that appeared to be human bite marks, the station reported.